imperfections. Every Mercedes-AMG V8 begins with aerospace-grade metals and precision-engineered materials.
Only verified aluminum alloys are approved for AMG engine blocks. Even tiny composition changes can affect engine durability. The alloy melts under precisely controlled temperatures. Continuous monitoring ensures perfect casting quality. Advanced filtration removes contaminants measured in microns. This ensures maximum strength for every engine block. These precision sand cores create the engine's internal cooling passages. Every passage must match exact engineering dimensions. Perfect mold alignment prevents dimensional errors. Every fraction of a millimeter matters.
The molten alloy fills every engineered cavity. This is where the AMG V8 block is born. Controlled cooling minimizes internal stresses. This creates exceptional structural strength. The casting is released from its temporary mold. Recycled sand returns for future production. Excess aluminum is removed with robotic precision. The engine block now matches its rough dimensions. Every engine block is scanned for hidden imperfections. Only flawless castings move forward. Computer-controlled machining shapes every critical surface. Precision begins with the engine block foundation. Each cylinder is machined with micron-level precision. Perfect geometry is critical for engine performance. The crosshatch finish ensures proper lubrication. This microscopic texture improves engine longevity.
The crankcase is now machined to micron-level tolerances. Next, the forged internal components will begin transforming it into a legendary AMG V8. Every forged AMG crankshaft is measured to micron-level accuracy. Only perfect components continue to assembly. The forged crankshaft becomes the heart of the AMG V8. Perfect alignment ensures effortless rotation. Micron-perfect bearing clearance reduces friction. This precision supports extreme engine performance. Each connecting rod is balanced for perfect engine harmony. Weight matching minimizes vibration. Forged pistons are engineered for high boost pressures. They're now ready for installation. Piston rings seal combustion pressure and regulate oil. Precision installation is essential. The forged pistons now become part of the engine. Every movement is smooth and precisely controlled. Every fastener is electronically verified. Precision torque guarantees long-term reliability. The oil pump delivers lubrication to every moving component. It protects the engine under extreme loads. Perfect valve timing begins with precise chain alignment. Synchronization is critical for performance. The precision valve train controls every combustion cycle. Each component is assembled with exact accuracy.
The engine block and cylinder heads become one. Precision torque ensures a perfect combustion seal.
These twin turbochargers dramatically increase engine power. Every connection is checked for maximum reliability.
The AMG V8 is now taking its final form. Next comes electronics, calibration, dyno test. Every electrical connection is locked into its exact position. The engine's electronic nervous system is now complete. Dozens of intelligent sensors monitor every engine function. They provide real-time data for maximum performance.
High-performance ignition components prepare the V8 for combustion. Every spark must be perfectly timed.
An advanced cooling system controls extreme operating temperatures. Efficient heat management protects the engine under full boost.
Every rotating accessory is synchronized with the crankshaft. The engine is now mechanically complete.
The engine receives precisely measured operating fluids. Every milliliter is computer-controlled. The engine's electronic brain is programmed. Thousands of operating parameters are precisely configured.
Every sensor and actuator responds perfectly. The engine is ready for its first startup.
The completed AMG V8 enters the testing phase. Every engine is individually verified before leaving the factory. The handcrafted AMG V8 comes alive. Its legendary sound marks the beginning of final validation. Every operating system is checked under controlled conditions. Performance data is monitored in real time. The twin-turbo V8 delivers its full engineered performance. Power, boost, and efficiency are carefully measured. Every engine receives individual electronic refinement. This ensures peak AMG performance.
Every seal and connection must remain flawless. Only perfect engines move to final approval.
The handcrafted V8 has passed every engineering test. Next, it receives the signature that makes every AMG engine unique. Every visible detail reflects AMG's uncompromising standards. Only flawless engines receive final approval. Every handcrafted engine is protected before leaving the assembly line. Special transport frames prevent movement during delivery. Smart factory logistics deliver every engine with perfect traceability. Automation ensures precision from factory to assembly. The handcrafted engine now meets its performance chassis. Every mounting point is verified before installation. The handcrafted AMG V8 finally becomes part of the vehicle. Precision installation preserves factory alignment. Every mechanical and electronic connection is carefully verified. The AMG powertrain is now fully integrated. The handcrafted engine roars to life inside its new home. Every sound confirms precision engineering. Every AMG vehicle is tested under controlled driving conditions. Performance is verified before delivery.
Every inspection confirms the vehicle meets AMG standards. The signed engine remains the centerpiece.
The finished AMG leaves the production line. It now begins its journey to its future owner. From Germany, handcrafted AMG performance reaches enthusiasts around the globe. Every vehicle carries its builder's signature. Months of engineering and craftsmanship end with one unforgettable delivery. Every engine tells the story of its builder. From molten aluminum to handcrafted performance, this is the engineering spirit of Mercedes-AMG.
Thank you for joining us inside the Mercedes-AMG Factory. If you enjoyed this manufacturing journey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible factory documentaries.